Hello, everyone. Welcome to Professor Ghosh YouTube channel.
How are you, Professor? What we gonna learn today? Today we will cover Module 3, that is Social Media, Engagement and Audience Trends.
Today in Module 3, we will understand the topics like role of social media in news distribution, audience engagement, citizen journalism and user-generated content, news virality and influence of algorithms, fake news, misinformation, and fact-checking tools, clickbait, sensationalism, and ethical concerns, digital surveillance, privacy, and media responsibility, journalism in the age of memes and influencers.
News used to be a destination. You had to go out and find it. Today, the news finds you. Social media has transformed distribution right in your pocket.
From destination to discovery. Audiences no longer type in a newspaper's web address to find news. Instead, the news finds them in their social media feeds, alongside posts from friends and family. Real-time speed. Social media has accelerated the news cycle. Breaking news often drops on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, or Telegram, minutes before traditional networks can broadcast it. The two-way street. Unlike print or TV, social media allows for immediate feedback. Journalists can interact with readers, answer questions, and gauge public sentiment in real time.
You don't need a press badge to make the news. Armed with smartphones, citizens are capturing history as it happens.
Audiences as co-creators. Consumers are no longer just passive readers. They share, comment, and contribute photos or videos, user-generated content, that newsrooms rely on. Rise of the citizen journalist. Anyone with a smartphone can report the news. Citizen journalists often capture events in places where traditional reporters aren't present. Verification challenges. While UGC provides incredible raw footage, newsrooms face the massive challenge of verifying time, location, and authenticity before publishing.
Who decides what you read? It's not just editors anymore, it's algorithms. These unseen codes prioritize clicks, comments, and outrage, shaping not just what goes viral, but how we view the world.
Engagement over importance. Social media algorithms are designed to keep users on the app. Therefore, they prioritize content that sparks strong emotions, anger, joy, outrage, over content that is simply important or nuanced. Filter bubbles and echo chambers. Algorithms learn what a user likes and feed them more of the same, isolating them from opposing viewpoints and creating echo chambers. The virality formula. News goes viral when it hits the sweet spot of high emotional resonance, relatability, and shareability, often leading newsrooms to tailor their headlines for the algorithm.
A lie can travel halfway around the world putting on its shoes. In the era of deepfakes and disinformation, fact-checking isn't just a part of journalism, it is the frontline defense for democracy.
Misinformation versus disinformation. Misinformation is false info shared by mistake. Disinformation is false info shared with malicious intent to deceive. The speed of fakes. Studies show that fake news spreads 6 times faster than the truth on social platforms because it is designed to be shocking and novel. Digital forensics. The rise of fake news has birthed a new journalism sector, fact-checking. Journalists use reverse image searches, metadata analysis, and AI detection to debunk lies.
We've all fallen for it. The irresistible clickbait headline. But in the race for clicks and ad revenue, sensationalism comes with a heavy price, the total loss of the reader's trust.
The curiosity gap. Clickbait relies on writing headlines that tease information without giving it away, forcing the user to click to satisfy their curiosity. Erosion of trust. When audiences click a sensationalized headline only to find a low-quality or misleading article, it destroys long-term trust in that media brand. The economic pressure. Newsrooms rely on ad revenue, which is driven by page views. This creates an ethical dilemma. Write a boring, accurate headline, fewer views, or a sensationalized one, more money.
In the digital age, while you are reading the news is reading you. Balancing data-driven journalism privacy is one of the greatest ethical challenges of our time.
Tracking the reader. Digital news websites use cookies and trackers to build data profiles on their readers, which are then used for targeted advertising. Protecting sources. In a world of digital surveillance, journalists must use encrypted messaging, like Signal, to protect whistleblowers from government or corporate tracking. The right to be forgotten. Media outlets face ethical pressures regarding how long digital records of minor crimes or embarrassments should stay online, haunting individuals forever.
Move over, evening news anchor. The new faces of journalism are streaming from their bedrooms. Memes and influencers are stripping away the formalities, humor, and a direct connection to the audience.
Memes as editorial cartoons. Internet memes have become a legitimate form of political and social commentary, digesting complex news into easily shareable, humorous images. The rise of news creators. Independent influencers and YouTubers often have higher viewership and more audience trust than traditional legacy news anchors. Blurring the lines. Influencers often mix hard facts with strong personal opinions and entertainment, making it difficult for audiences to distinguish between objective journalism and biased commentary.
So, we have finally completed this module. If you have any doubts, please drop a comment and I will explain. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next video.